Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictation. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound shorthand dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 114. Start. Gentlemen, comma, we wish to acquire several pieces of land in Hamilton near the property we now hold, comma, for the purpose of housing the whole of our assembling work in a new plant which we propose to erect, full stop. Perhaps you will tell us promptly if you hear of any land to be offered for sale, comma, and thus give us an opportunity to investigate, full stop. New para. We are anxious to begin work on our new plant this autumn, full stop. If we do not purchase the land within the next 2 months, comma, there is every likelihood that we shall have to postpone operations until the spring, full stop. Any information you may obtain for us will be a very great help, full stop. Very truly yours, comma.